Hi guys, welcome to another video. M&M's, the candy, has announced that they're going to be releasing and launching new candies themed on Bored Ape Yacht Club. So limited edition is coming soon. Each upgrade will be on 6th September before the final upgrades, which are going to be somewhere around 10th and 11th September. Things are really heating up in the Ethereum blockchain. Mastercard has partnered with Binance and now they're going to be bringing about 90,000 stores. Let people spend their crypto in those stores. This is something crazy because crazy adoption is happening in this bear market, never seen before. Let's jump into today's charts and see what's happening in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some altcoins. Let's jump into DXY. DXY is still sitting in those areas that we had discussed in the previous video where we were facing rejections from here, was pretty sideways in this range, and now we're again trying to retest about 108.260. So the next 24 hours, 48 hours again become very important. USDT's dominance just breaking below the support box of this green zone where we have been rejected from 6.75%, which is a good sign. So we are seeing relatively similar movements in DXY and USDT's dominance right now. So the next 24 hours, 48 hours will bring some sort of a relief rally. Let's jump into the BTC USDT 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour charts, first thing first, we are seeing a bearish divergence forming because on this high, we were at these levels and right now we are at these levels in the price action. While we look into the RSI is pumped up and is creating a bearish divergence. So this could be a very good trade right now. Even though we have this bearish divergence, you can ape in and have an entry somewhere here. This will be your take profit 1 and this would be your take profit 2. I have also entered the stop loss places for both scenarios, so you don't really lose on your trades and you could trade safely. So if we look into the chart structure right now, looking great. We are forming a bearish flag on the 4 hours. We are taking support from about $20,789. The 50 MA is getting closer and closer. So right now it's about $21,900. So the resistance zone, the first one that I feel we might face some rejections from, is around $22,500. So that's where I have set a stop loss and an entry position, so you can manage that yourself. And obviously the final target will be the resistance that we were rejected from previously, which is around $24,600 to $700. Hopefully we do get into this trade and make some quick money, but overall market still remains bearish, especially for BTC. Let's jump into BTC's daily time frames. So on the daily time frames, we are looking all right. The 200 moving average is around 31,900 and $99, about $32,000. The upper BB is about $25,664 and the lower BB is at $19,209. We are just below the 50 moving average, which is very bearish. Been trading here for a long time now, so let's hope something good happens. If that good happens, obviously like the trade I shared with you guys on the 4-hour chart, that would possibly come into play. And if you look into the RSI right now, looks okay, nothing big happening here. Let's jump into the Ethereum chart on the 4 hours. So on the 4-hour chart on ETH looks a lot better than BTC. We do have the similar RSI bearish divergence because the price structure and the RSI are creating that divergence. We were right about here on this top of the RSI, and right now we're here. So the price structure clearly draws a bearish divergence here. While the RSI is heading upwards, the price structure is in a down structure. If we look here closely, we can also take a good trade here. This is the entry zone because we are breaking above this bear flag. If we successfully do break above, right now we are facing some resistance from the 50 MA. So if we do break above here, obviously these are some zones to really look at. This could be a very quick upside coming in here, and obviously this remains our target here, which is about $1,900. This is also our previous resistance right now. Overall, it looks a lot better than BTC. Obviously that has a lot to do with the merge news in the crypto market. Let's move into the Ethereum's daily charts. On the daily chart, the RSI looks all right. RSI suggests we might see a big upside coming, which is very healthy right now because the merge is right there. We need that big upside and that big bullish momentum coming into Ethereum. So overall, we are looking a lot better than BTC. So here on the daily time frames, we are taking support from the 50 MA, while BTC has already lost the 50 MA on the daily time frames. Our upper BB is around 2192 and the lower BB is at about $969. The 50 MA is a very crucial support zone for us right now. We don't want to lose this support because we are at very critical levels here. Let's move into altcoins for today. So Matic is drawing a similar RSI divergence, which is a bearish divergence right now, similar structure to what we are seeing in ETH. Overall looks pretty okay. It is a very good bounce from the resistance line. Now probably we could consider this turning into a support, but before I do change here, I want to see a good healthy bounce coming here. We are facing resistance right now from the 50 MA, which is slightly bearish, but if we do break above with good volume backing this, then likely we're going to be touching into these levels, which is about 0.87, and a further upside, probably a week at least to the 200 moving average, which is about 88 cents. Let's look at FTM. So on FTM chart, we did bounce right at the CAD, and now we are taking good support from here. We have similar structure to Matic, facing resistance from the 50 MA and obviously the 200 moving average, and our CAD top is just right there. So obviously the first one is going to be this one, 33 cents, and then probably weak to 34.74. So it could be a good trade here as well. Have to see similar RSI divergence here as well, a bearish divergence. Overall, a lot of coins right now are drawing their bearish divergences like ETH and BTC on the 4 hours. BTC's weekly chart must close above $23,117. We are right now facing resistance from this crucial zone of this channel's lower line. So if we do successfully break above, then this could be the areas for us to look at. That's what I had shared with you guys on the 4 hours chart. So fear and greed index, we are at 25. Extreme fear is back into the markets. Yesterday we were also at 25. This sideways movement is keeping us in a similar fear levels. If we move into alt season, something very interesting. Alt season is still pumping up. It's at 96, so we're back into those highs, still making a lower high on the higher time frames. Let's move into the month. So if we move into the month, we are clearly just testing this crucial line, that which is the benchmark for the altcoin month, which is about 75. So going to be very, very interesting 24 to 48 hours coming in this market. Let's look at this beautiful chart, which is Bitcoin valuation model. So if they're going to be comparing realized prices with balance prices and delta price. In the previous bear market, we did mark the delta price as the bottom, and probably could have something similar coming in this bear market. So we are expecting somewhere around 13.7. The realized price is 21.7 and the balance price is 17.2k. So likely we're going to be somewhere in this region. This is a very, very interesting chart shared by Glassnodes, one of the best on-chain analysts, and likely we're going to be seeing somewhere bottom coming either into the blue line or maybe into the purple line. President Biden announced student relief debt, which is some officials saying going to be inflationary. Well, let's see what's and how this is going to be reacting into the markets. This is a very, very big move by the president of the United States. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Going to be back in here soon. Take care, guys. Bye bye.